If you're not selling because you have a low interest rate, you're not alone. But here's the bigger question. A lot of homeowners feel stuck because they have a great mortgage rate. And I get it. The low payment is valuable. But the question is your current home still working for your life? Maybe you need more space, less space, a single level, a better location, a pool, a different school district, or less maintenance. Sometimes people hold on to a low interest rate so tightly that they stay home and they're no longer have their needs met. Selling does not always mean giving up something good. Sometimes you can tap into that equity and use it for your next purchase. The key is not guessing, it's running the numbers. So what could you get your home to sell for? How much equity could you walk away with? And what does your next payment look like? And does the move actually improve your life? If you feel stuck between your low rate and your next chapter, reach out to me and I'll help you look at those numbers.